I'm Amy, and I'm going to give you a really quick rundown of my presentation video for your flowchart. Silicon is one of the most abundant elements in the Earth's outer crust. It makes up roughly 30%, and it links to oxygen, which makes up roughly 50% of the Earth's crust. These together form silicates. This presentation will demonstrate the beneficial effects of silicone on crop growth in relation to the stresses. Silicates relieve biotic and abiotic stresses within the growth cycle. This flow diagram is a detailed breakdown of those effects. The shoot, root, and soil solution cycle.